A couple of years ago, I actually found a tick on one of my dogs, and it was like playing a game of Operation trying to get it off. Do you have any tips for pet owners if they happen to find a tick on their dog, or what they should look for when they bring them inside and do a tick check?
Yeah, it's it can be difficult to remove a tick on on a dog for sure because they often don't want you to remove the tick. It can hurt them sometimes, like it can cause some pain. So it can be difficult. You just want to do a basic pat down on your dog and just pet them. See if you can feel anything sort of sticking out of their skin. If you do find a tick, you want to use fine tip tweezers, and this goes for humans too, and get as close as the to the mouth parts as possible and just pull straight up with some steady, even pressure. You don't want to, I guess, you don't want to smother the tick. You don't want to put Vaseline or nail polish remover on it. I grew up with my parents telling me to do that. You don't want to do any of that because one, ticks, if you're trying to suffocate the tick, it's going to take a long time because they can hold their breath for quite some time. But two, it stresses the tick out. And when you stress a tick out, they're going to regurgitate a lot of their saliva into you. And that saliva is where these germs are found. So, you're increasing your risk for getting a tick-borne disease if you're going to stress the tick out. So you want to just get as close to the head as possible and pull straight up with tweezers. And dogs can actually get Lyme disease and some other tick-borne diseases as well. It's important to look for any symptoms if your dog's not acting normal after a few days to weeks after a tick bite, and to take it to your vet. They can order tests and they can also provide some treatment.